Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of HTML tutorial with screen readers. Hi, my name is Ratul and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel V.I Tech Academy. As you know that we have started our new series which is HTML tutorial with screen readers, where you can learn HTML for free. So today we are here with another new tutorial of HTML. In this tutorial, in this episode, we will discuss about quotation and citation. So those who already learned about this quotation and citation, they can skip this video, but before skipping, please share this video. We are making this video, or we are making these episodes because we want you to learn HTML and we want to make learning HTML is easy. Friends, if you want to learn HTML with personalized feedback along with CSS, ARIA, JavaScript, you can register for our web development course and you will also earn the certificate. So those who are interested for our course, go to our channel about page and register today. If you support us, you can join our channel. Click on the join button to learn more. Without further delay, let's start the episode. Quotation and citation are two important elements of HTML. So what is the quotation? What is the use of quotation? Quotation means quote. So for example, if I want to write practice makes a man perfect. This is a quote someone said. So you need to put within the quotation. Now if you want to write a quotation like double quotation or single quotation, it will be accepted by the HTML. But when you are doing the HTML, let us see how we can do it using HTML. So first let me open the paragraph tag here, because I have already created the main structure of HTML, and here
less h1 greater quotation and citation less slash h1 greater blank.
Within body I have just created one heading, and now let me create one paragraph
P,
and then I will start quotation. So to start quotation we use Q, less Q greater,
Q,
and now I just type practice
practice
mix
E-S-A-A-M map
perfect. Then quotation close,
Q,
then paragraph close.
P,
So this is the code.
less P greater less Q greater practice makes a man perfect dot less slash Q greater less slash P greater
Okay, so this is how we can create a quotation.
blank.
Next we'll discuss about citation. So what is this citation? In some websites you might have seen that block quote. So technically it is called citation. What is the use of citation? Why we should use? For example, you are taking or you are writing some information which is presented in another site. You want to refer some other website or other link, especially other website. For that you have to use this block quote or citation. So let's suppose here I'm going to write Google is the largest search engine or one of the most popular search engine. Here I will mention www.google.com and I will refer to this site. So let's see how we can do it using our citation. So I can easily do it using the element called block quote and using the cite attribute. Okay, so we'll discuss more about attribute in our future classes. So first let me open the paragraph, less P greater. Then we'll start block quote, less block quote BLOCKQUOTE.
Blockwood greater.
Then instead of greater, just give the space and then write cite, CITE, cite. This is the attribute equals to
Site.
Then within quotation type the URL. So here I am typing www.google.com. So here I'll type www.google.com.
Double com.
Then quotation close and then greater sign. So next, whatever I want to write, I should write. So let's suppose I am writing
Google is the popular. Search engine.
Okay, so I've written Google is the most popular search engine. Now first I need to close the block quote.
Block quote.
Less slash block quote. Then I close the paragraph tag.
P.
So now just listen this code.
Less P greater less BLOCKQUOTE space CITE equals quote www dot google dot com quote greater google space is space the space most space popular space search space ingine dot less slash BLOCKQUOTE greater less slash P greater. So this is how you can write the block quote, which is called citation. Now let me save it and let's run it. So now I have opened the page in my browser. So let me check the title. Quotation and citation in HTML, Google Chrome.
So now this is the first heading.
Heading level 1, quotation and citation.
I'm going down.
Practice makes a man perfect.
So to check whether the quote is available or not, just I'm pressing home.
Left quote.
Left quote and I'm pressing end.
Right quote.
Wow, quotation added. Now I'm pressing down and listen carefully.
Block quote. Google is the most popular search engine. Google is the most popular search engine.
Okay, so block quote is also added. Now, as I mentioned, like www.google.com, as a sighted user, you can see my screen and you can understand how this how the site refers. But for visually impaired, there is no use of this block quote because you are not able to understand which site is referred to. I hope you understood how you can use citation and quotation in HTML. If you find this episode useful, press the like button and share this video with your friends. Do let me know if you have any doubts and queries in the comment section. Subscribe to V.I Tech Academy for more useful tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this episode. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.